Grüß euch, wie geht's? Hoffentlich gut. Now let us continue with our chapter, Lektion 4, Wo wohnt ihr? So let's go. Das ist Kursbuch, Übung 10. Wo wohnen Sie? Here Sie means they. Where do they live? Who they? The families. There are 5 families given over here. Weigel, Meyer, Wagner, Shah and Schmidt. And the places where they live is given and the threads will lead us to the city where they live. We have to then form small dialogues like given in the example. Okay? Fragt und antwortet wie in den Beispielen A und B. First, let us see how to form dialogues according to Beispiel A. Familie Weigel. Now they live in Augsburg. Okay? So we have to form a dialogue like this. The question will be, Wo wohnen die Weigels? So we do not have to say Familie Weigel. We have to say die Weigels. S at the end. Wo wohnen die Weigels? And the answer to the dialogue in the dialogue will be, Sie wohnen in Augsburg. As simple as that. One more example. Wo wohnen die Meyers? Sie wohnen in Köln. Wo wohnen die Wagners? Sie wohnen in Wien. Okay? This is the way you form dialogue according to example A. And according to example B, the question has to be yes/no question. Okay? So how to form that? Zum Beispiel, wohnen die Weigels in Frankfurt? And the answer will be, Nein, sie wohnen in Augsburg. So if the question is wrong, the answer will be Nein, because you have to start the answer with Ja or Nein. So Nein, sie wohnen in Augsburg. So you have to correct the information. If the information in the question is correct, then you will say Ja, sie wohnen in Augsburg. Zum Beispiel, wohnen die Meyers in Köln? Ja, sie wohnen in Köln. Wohnen die Wagners in Mumbai? Nein, sie wohnen in Wien. Okay? This is the way you form a yes/no question. Both these types of examples, you are going to write 2 of them each in your classwork notebook, as well as practice in the online session. Übung 11. This is a listening comprehension. There are different informations given. The names, the ages, the addresses, Geschwister and Wohnort, Stadt, where they live. So we have to match each name to the correct information, to the correct age, to the correct address, to the correct information about siblings and correct city. Correct? Wie alt sind Sie? Wo wohnen Sie? Haben Sie Geschwister? Hör gut zu. So you are going to now listen to the audio and try to figure out all the information for each one of them. But while doing that, I wanted to warn you that these informations are not in any specific order. Each person is telling about themselves in different order. First, for example, Karin is telling first about her age and then where she lives. Other person is telling first about siblings and then the place where they live. So we are going to listen very carefully and try to gather all the informations. Okay? So now before we listen to the audio, what they are saying is, we can make a table like this, given in the textbook. Mach eine Tabelle in deinem Heft. So while listening to it first time, you can mark it over there itself. Later you can make a table so that you can tell about them in a proper way. You don't have to keep on searching for the information. So for example, Christian, it is written over there. Under Alter, you will write his age. Under wohnt in, you are going to write the city's name. Adressa, you are going to write the address. And Geschwister. You can make a table like this for better understanding. So now let's listen to the audio.
Wie alt sind Sie? Wo wohnen Sie? Haben Sie Geschwister?
Hallo, mein Name ist Karin. Ich bin 14 Jahre alt und wohne in Berlin, in der Wagnerstraße Nummer 19. Ich habe einen Bruder.
Tag, ich heiße Annette Rubinstein, bin 15 und wohne in Frankfurt. Ich habe keine Geschwister, ich bin Einzelkind. Meine Adresse? Goethestraße 20.
Grüß euch, ich bin der Christian. Ich wohne in Hamburg, in der Adenauer Straße Nummer 10. Ich habe eine kleine Schwester, Martina. Sie ist 7 Jahre alt. Ich bin 12.
Hallo, ich heiße Klaus Beck, wohne in München, bin 17 Jahre alt und habe 2 Schwestern. Meine Adresse: Ludwigstraße 72.
So could you gather all the informations about everyone? Let us discuss. Christian, ist 12 Jahre alt. Wohnt in Hamburg in Adenauer Straße 10. Hat eine Schwester. Annette. Sie ist 15 Jahre alt, wohnt in Frankfurt in Goethestraße 20 und ist Einzelkind. Klaus. Ist 17 Jahre alt, wohnt in München in Ludwigstraße 72 und hat 2 Schwestern. Karin. Sie ist 14 Jahre alt, wohnt in Berlin in Wagnerstraße 19 und hat einen Bruder. That is the correct answer. So I hope you have got all correct. Übung 12. Dialogpuzzle. Schreib den Dialog in dein Heft. So here is a dialogue but not in the correct order. You have to bring it in the correct order. So you can pause the video for a while over here and figure it to yourself how the dialogue can be in the correct order. So now let us check if you have got the order correctly. Grüß dich, Monika. Hallo. Third dialogue is: Monika, wie viele seid ihr zu Hause? Wir sind 4. Mein Vater, meine Mutter, mein Bruder und ich. Und wo wohnt ihr? In Freising. Freising, wo liegt das denn? In Süddeutschland bei München. Tschüss, Monika. Tschüss. Okay, this is the correct order. And then they are saying spielt den Dialog. Now you have to play the dialogue and try to have 2 partners, and one person will be Monica and other person will be the boy. Okay, simple.